American Pie?
Make sure you Google that, Chloe.
I will do. Oh, bye, Rosie. You going? If you're going, I want a hug.
Yeah, darling.
Bye.
I'm waiting for it.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, well,
Oh, you could like eat an egg.
You know what, babe? We'll get some fish and chips so I can get them.
I could eat an egg.
Oh no, you can't because I want fish and chips. I
I
want to get chips.
Film that.
You're not gonna eat that, are you?
Ready? Watch.
Go on then. Right? You're not gonna do it. Oh
Glyn, you
no!
What you did? Charlie's just ate who fucking egg raw.
An egg. Oh, that is disgusting. Oh, get your face in the light. I can't see you.
An egg.
Get the rest of your face in the light. I can't see you.
Michelle, no?
Yes!
Fuck off, did it?
Hey, Chloe, show him.
Oh,
Chloe,
you
show him.
fucking rocket.
Oh my
Chloe,
days.
show him in the egg.
Jesus, he's a dick, isn't he?
Yeah. Oh,
Show him in the egg.
I will. Does that taste nice? And then you don't throw up in the sink. Yeah. Oh.
Off skis.
Never mind.
Yes.
Leave us
Oh,
all.
wow.
Oh, yeah, fucking, yeah.
See that?
No,
Bye. Oh,
Bye.
sorry.
Give us everyone a kiss.
Oi.
Bye.